If you're experiencing login errors on Gmail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try opening other websites or applications to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with Gmail. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Check Google account status. Visit the Google Workspace status dashboard to see if there are any ongoing issues with Gmail. If there are, you may need to wait until the problem is resolved on Google's end. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most login errors on Gmail. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.